बखूबी हम चुमकता बिंदबाशी बखूबी हम चुमकता बिंदबाशी बमुल्क दिलबरी पाइंदबाशी बखूबी हम चुमक
Like the moon, you made it.
गुलाबी
So tell me, Festival of Hope, what is hope from your side to this festival?
Hope from my side to this festival is that, everyone is you're going to, it is living, it is loving, it is enjoying every moment of the day. And as long as we have life, we have hope. And that's what hope means to me.
What's your initiative for the festival?
Now for this festival, we have done the makeup and hair, and for all the people who are walking, and because you can for the dress they've dressed, but we need the makeup and hair, and that's what I could do and contribute to. But I think this is a fantastic thing, and I love this Festival of Hope and what Shalini is doing and making us do. I've been associated with it for the past 3 years, and I just love it. This festival gives you hope, and that's a wonderful thing.
What's your association in the future with this? Hope.
I would love to go on being associated all the time with this Festival of Hope because it is so amazing, and what they stand for is so amazing. Hi guys, I'm Blossom Kocher, and you're watching your favorite channel, Delhi Chili.
I think this is a great festival and something that sort of is being done in such a grand scale for cancer awareness is always a great thing, and I think it's a fabulous thing they've done, and as we can see it's a spectacular setting and they've done a really nice job with the whole thing.
Are you taking this festival hope for the future? What are you expecting with this festival in the future?
Well, I mean, it's they're working towards a goal, and I'm hoping that they can do as much as they can.
Okay. So what's your take on it? What you are going, how you get associated with the, if you get a chance to get associated with the festival hope, what you're going to do with?
Well, I'm showing a collection over here, which is, to create awareness for this entire cause. And me, along with the other designers, are actually showcasing this thing to bring people here together so that they understand what we're actually talking about. Hi, I'm Manaviraj Costa, and you're watching Delhi Chili.
With Shalini. Yes. A round of applause for Leena Singh.
Something about you.
So ma'am, tell me your association with Festival of Hope.
It's just wonderful to be associated with such a wonderful cause. And AL Asha Madina, as a policy of the brand, always like to go beyond the passion. We like to do something which is not within our parameters, something which is for the underprivileged children. We do a lot of things for the women's, empowerment. And then when it came on my way, I thought it was a beautiful way because cancer is something it can happen to any way, and I think we all need to work towards that to give a hope and to give the strength not only to the survivors but also to the families.
There are so many festivals in India, but this festival seems to be different with the hope.
I think that's a beautiful thing about it. You know, it's very strange in today's complicated world. People have no time for going beyond themselves. There is certain, you know, there is a certain parameters. They are just into that circle of their own, without thinking there is a, like even in fashion world, without thinking that there is a life beyond that fashion world. There is something which is beyond that your own work and your own pursuit of business. So it's always so beautiful to go beyond that. And I think the most beautiful festival I've celebrated for the season is Festival of Hope.
So, how many hopes are you with this festival? कितनी hope है आपकी festival से?
Well, I think you know whatever little we contribute, I think that's worth it. We will maybe contributing about in a very small way. It's worth it if through my voice, if through my brand, I'm able to support the cause. That is what matters to me. Hi everybody, I'm Leena Singh from Ashima Leena, and you're watching Delhi Chili.
Festivals in Delhi, in India, but this is the festival hope. How much hope you have with this festival? आपको कितना hope है इस festival से?
बहुत ज़्यादा hope है. This festival of hope is very close to my heart. My own father is a cancer survivor, and I think Shalini Vigbadwa is doing a fantastic job of getting everyone together for this very, very noble cause. And I'm very, very proud to be part of it.
One liner, अगर हम जानना चाहते हैं festival hope शालिनी के लिए एक लाइन में अगर वो कहना चाहते हैं, डिस्क्राइब करना चाहती हैं, आज वो यहाँ पे है और लोगों के लिए है, तो एक लाइन में क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप इस फंक्शन को?
Keep the hope alive. I'm Shalini Chauhan. Keep watching Delhi Chili. Thank you.
Festival Hope. There are so many festivals in India, but how you take this Festival of Hope this time of?
Actually, it's joint with a charity. It's for cancer awareness. So I think it's really important because cancer is a disease that's affecting more and more people every day, and we have to really take it more seriously. You know, people think that it's not going to happen to me, but you know, it can happen to anybody. So it's important to be aware and accept that it could happen, and you know, like take the necessary steps at the right time. So I thought that it's a good event, a good cause to be joined with, and that's why we participated.
आपको कैसे मौका मिला? आपने क्या सोचा था और आपको कैसे मौका मिला इस इवेंट से जुड़ने का?
मौका तो Shalini ji approached us, and Leena auntie was already doing it. So we have quite a close relationship. So she said that it's a great cause, you must do it. So we were like, okay, and not to say no to a good cause, but that's the main thing.
Okay. आपको इस फेस्टिवल से क्या होप है in future?
In future, I mean, I don't have any personal hopes. I just hope that they are successful in, raising the funds that they need. I believe that a lot of the funds go to people who are abandoned in hospitals because their families can't, pay for their cure, because cancer is quite expensive treatment. And also, to help people cope with the, a family goes through the disease together. So to help them cope, give them support. So I hope that they are successful in this mission to, touch as many lives and help as many people as they can. I mean, that's my hope for this event.
ये फेस्टिवल दूसरे फेस्टिवल से कितना अलग है?
अब अलग तो I think everything ends up being quite similar because people want the same thing and they expect the same thing. But I think this location is, it's really different. It's an interesting idea to do it here because ऐसा set, बनाना कोई आसान काम नहीं है. So we have an existing beautiful backdrop to use. So, I think that was different.
आप कैसे इस होप को आगे कैरी फॉरवर्ड करेंगे?
I would just say that, everybody should get regular checkups. I mean, a lot of people don't even realize that they're going through, this problem until they detect it, sometimes even by chance. So I just hope that people take it more seriously and get, like go for checkups. I think that's important. Yeah.
Message to your friends.
Message to my friends: don't ignore, problems, and don't ignore diseases. Don't just because you ignore a problem, it doesn't go away. And if you are suffering, if your family is going through something, I think you can always rely on support. There will always be people to help you along the way. You shouldn't feel alone. Hi, I'm Sama Ali from Kotwara. You're watching Delhi Chili, your favorite channel.
The founder of Festival of Hope. Shalini will be welcoming all the guests, but before you do, we would like to have a few words from you about this initiative. How did it come about and how did you dream about it?
Hi. Hi, everybody. First of all, let me just thank everybody who's here tonight. It's making me feel very special because all of you are here because of one invitation, few WhatsApp messages, few invitation cards. Truly, I'm very grateful. Thank you so much for coming.
Shalini is one lady who flows against the tide. She's not like the Hawa, जो ऊपर चलती है हवा, the wind. हवा के लिए एक अर्ज किया है. हवा से कह दो कि खुद को आजमा के देखे. हवा से कह दो कि खुद को आजमा के देखे. इतने चिराग बुझाती है, एक तो जला के देखे. Well, this is a lady जिसने एक नहीं, अनेक चिराग जलाए हैं. Let's have a round of applause for her. Please take center stage. Can we have the bouquets, please? We have our beautiful children from Shakuntalam getting the bouquet onto the stage to be presenting to our guests. From the NGO Shakuntalam, the cute little kid presenting the bouquet. I would like Rahul to say a few words, the Shosha guy. Shosha Bazi, let's have a few words from you.
Hello, everyone. Sorry. Hello, everyone. Thank you for making it to this lovely evening. Delhi is ill-famous for a word called Shosha, rather North Indians. Everybody, you go down south, Maharashtra, they say, oh, you're from North India. They're too much into Shosha. So we've come up with this beautiful nightclub, and we thought, what better than name it Shosha. So here it is, and hope you guys have a lovely evening. And after the fashion show, it's the preview of the club, and hope to have you guys again. Thank you so much.
See, the festival is growing every season, so I would say it's becoming bigger. And the future has many more people to join in because it's a campaign. And हर दिल में एक होप होती है. So यहाँ जितने भी लोग participate करते हैं या they walk for us, everybody is hoping for something. It could be somebody health issues, it could be financial issues, it could be any issue. So it's like a festival of hope where everybody comes together. It's like a family. There are people who get together and even help each other because everybody now knows each other. So with Festival of Hope, a lot of people are joining with, unconditionally with each other. So it's like a festival of hope for everybody.
मैम जो आपने दिया एक होप का चलाया है उसको कब तक आप उसको कैरी ऑन करेंगे और फ्यूचर में क्या एक्सपेक्ट रहेंगे आपके?
जब तक जान है तब तक कैरी ऑन करेंगे जब तक कर सकते हैं बट उसके बाद आई एम श्योर समबडी विल कैरी इट ऑन फॉर मी एंड कहाँ इसका फ्यूचर है आई थिंक इट विल गो प्लेसेस आई एम वेरी पॉजिटिव अबाउट इट.
कैसे आप देखते हैं शालिनी इसको कैसे कैरी ऑन फॉरवर्ड करेगी अगर इट कम्स टू शालिनी?
अब जितना कर सकती हूँ उतना करूँगी. Of course, to pull something off at this scale, to have something, you need people who will join you. And I'm very grateful that I have a beautiful relationship with a lot of people. And Almighty has been very kind that when I come out with something, there are people who join me because they believe in me. And I would like it to remain the way it is.
Okay, वो कौन लोग हैं जिन्हें आप और जोड़ना चाहेंगे इस फेस्टिवल से?
उन लोगों को शायद जोड़ना चाहूँगी who probably are celebrities. But unfortunately, we don't get many celebrities to join us because I don't believe in paying them. I feel if you feel for a cause which is close to your heart, and if you really believe in charity, and if you believe an event is happening for charity, you would not charge. So we really tried very hard to get a lot of celebrities on board, but unfortunately we were not successful because my thinking is if I have to pay a celebrity to come and make my show successful, I rather pay a cancer patient on that kind of money and take care of his treatment than pay a celebrity.
If it comes to Shalini, what she is going to do a one-liner for Festival of Hope. एक लाइन में क्या कहना चाहेंगे फेस्टिवल?
There is life after cancer. You have to just know how to celebrate it. Hi, I'm Shalini Vigwadhwa. I am the founder and CEO for the Festival of Hope, and you're watching Delhi Chili, Delhi's favorite channel.